Welcome to Barrel Basics, where we cover the basics of your Burch Barrel. Here I'm going to show you how to assemble the Burch Barrel. First thing you want to do is take everything out of the boxes, lay them out, and identify them. So the tools you're going to need to assemble your Burch Barrel: a number 2 Phillips head, as well as a 10mm socket. I'm using an impact drill, but you can also just use a socket wrench or just a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Let's begin by assembling the tripod. The first step to assembling the tripod is installing the feet. Really simple, just screw in feet. Now that we've got the feet installed, we're going to attach the upper section of the leg. Make sure they're good and tight. Now that we have all 3 legs assembled, we want to grab the pistol grip slider and assemble that simply by engaging top to the bottom, sliding it on. It's important to identify this first because you want to align that with your pulley system of your top knot. Identify the pulley system with the leg that has the pistol grip slider on it. Once I've got the leg with the pistol grip slider attached to the top knot, I like to lay it on the ground and install the remainder of the legs. Let's install the cable system. Once you've threaded the cable, just attach it to your pistol grip slider. Last step is to install the top knot cover. Next step is to install the spanner bars. Next step is to hang the Burch Barrel on the tripod. It's a lot easier to do this with 2 people, but I'll show you how to do it with 1. You're going to raise up your spanner bars, bear hug the barrel, attach your first screw, attach your second spanner, and attach your third. All right, now let's add in the coal pan and the lock collar grill grate. Let's start by installing the handle on the lid. Thread just 1 screw through your inside hook. Add the washer. Screw on the handle. Just get that started, let it rest. Thread your other screw through. And then just hand tighten the other screw. You want to make sure that you're lining up the shaped portion of the washer to your handle. Then using your 10mm socket, we're just going to tighten it up. Make sure that there's no wiggle. Good to go. Now let's install your lid spanner bars. Set them in place. Now that the lid's assembled, let's get it on the barrel. Now that your barrel is assembled, let me show you how to level it. There are two adjustments that you can use to level your barrel. First one is the spanner bar, and then the second one, which is more of a macro adjustment, is the leg. In order to find out what you need to do and how to adjust it, first, let's lift up the barrel lid just a few inches off your birch barrel. Stop the swing of the lid and just look at it from both angles. But let's say you're in your backyard, you can adjust the leg or the spanner bar appropriately to find that perfect balance. Now that your barrel is assembled, check out our recipes page for inspiration, or continue watching Barrel Basics to learn more about the ways to cook on your barrel, different types of fuel, or just other educational pieces. Thanks for joining.